I'm Annie, and in today's video, we are going to learn the difference between the simple past tense and the past continuous tense. Many learners often get confused when to use I was doing and when to say I did. But don't worry, we're here to make it simple for you.
Thanks, Annie. I'm Altaf. Yes, in this video, we'll explore the key uses of these two tenses, when to apply each one, and how they help us describe actions that happened in the past. We'll share examples, simple rules, and tips so you never mix them up again. Let's begin with their basic definitions and structure.
The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past and are completely finished. The structure is very easy. Subject plus past form of the verb. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. These actions are over. They began and ended in the past.
On the other hand, the past continuous tense is used to talk about an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. Its structure is subject plus was were plus verb plusing. Examples: I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. They were playing football when it started to rain. This tense focuses on the duration or the progress of an action in the past.
Let's compare them side by side with an example. Simple past. I watched TV last night. Past continuous. I was watching TV when the power went out. In the first sentence, we simply say what happened. In the second one, we're focusing on what was happening at the exact moment another action occurred.
Exactly. That brings us to one of the most common uses of past continuous, to show an interrupted action in the past. For example, I was sleeping when you called me. The action was sleeping was ongoing, and the call interrupted it.
Another important thing is that simple past is often used for a series of actions. Like, I got up, brushed my teeth, and went to school. These actions happened one after the other. We don't need to focus on how long they took, just the fact that they happened.
That's right. But if you want to describe the background of a story, you use past continuous. For example, the sun was shining, birds were singing, and the children were playing in the park. These actions set the scene and were all happening at the same time in the background.
Now let's talk about how we form negative sentences. In simple past, we use did not plus base form of the verb. I did not go to the party. She didn't finish her homework. In past continuous, we use was not, were not, plus verb plusing. I was not studying. They weren't listening.
Good point. And for questions, we start with did in the simple past. Did you enjoy the movie? Did he come to school? In past continuous, we begin with was or were. Were you sleeping? Was she reading?
Let's try a few quick examples, and the viewers can try to guess the correct tense. He, fall. Well, he, run. The correct answer is he fell while he was running. Here, fell is a completed action, and was running was the ongoing action that got interrupted.
Perfect. Let's try another one. 2. When I arrive, they have dinner. Answer: when I arrived, they were having dinner. The moment I came, the action of eating was already in progress.
This is where many learners make mistakes. They either use simple past for both actions or past continuous for both. But it's important to remember that the ongoing action usually takes the past continuous, and the action that happens suddenly or interrupts it takes the simple past.
Let me share a tip to make it even easier. Use simple past when you want to talk about what happened. Use past continuous when you want to talk about what was happening at a particular time in the past. For example, I was studying at 9 p.m. What was happening? I studied for 2 hours. What happened?
Another tip is about time expressions. Simple past often uses words like yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, in 2010, etc. Past continuous often uses while, when, at that moment, all evening, all day, etc.
Let's do a short story using both tenses. Yesterday I was walking to the market when I saw an old friend. We talked for a while. It was raining, so we ran into a nearby cafe. While we were drinking coffee, we remembered our school days. As you can see, some actions were ongoing, past continuous, while others were completed, simple past.
Beautifully explained. So, to sum up everything we've discussed today, use simple past to describe completed actions in the past. Use past continuous to describe actions in progress at a specific time in the past or actions that got interrupted. Use simple past for actions that happen one after another. Use past continuous to set the scene or describe the background of a story. Combine both tenses to show a complete and interesting picture of what happened in the past.
That's right, Annie. And that's what we've learned in this video. Understanding the difference between simple past and past continuous is essential to speak and write better English. Practice using them correctly and you'll sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching this episode of Grammar with Altaf. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy grammar lessons.
See you next time with another interesting topic. Keep practicing and keep improving. Goodbye.